Jdevy here, and I'm doing some more gameplay on Dizzy Chicken. Let's see how we do. That was a bit too hard. Went a bit too hard on that one. Too hard again.
Better clock next time. Thanks for playing.
Come on, hit that bonus shot. Oh, yes! 40 tickets and a chance to win the freaking mega jackpot. Oh my god. Come on. Ooh. Oh!
Oh, so close. Better clock next time.
Slow down! Ah! 10 tickets. Are you kidding me? Come on! God dang. Horrible here.
Better clock next time. Thanks for playing.
One light off from the 100 ticket bonus. Come on! Yes! 1,000 tickets! Oh my god! Oh my god! I finally got it! After all these Dizzy Chicken episodes, I got it! Dizzy Chicken 1,000 ticket jackpot! Can't believe this is happening right now, guys!